Good morning, student. Now start with next topic. Chapter hydrocarbon. Meaning of hydrocarbon. Combination of carbon and hydrogen is known as hydrocarbon. Clear? According to valency, one carbon contains 4 hydrogen and gives the formation of CH4. Suppose CH4 name methane, it is the part of alkane. Similarly, two types of hydrocarbon also there. One is alkene and another is alkyne. Here simply we can say that hydrocarbon can be classified into two types. One is saturated hydrocarbon and another is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated means single bond present between two or more carbon atoms. Unsaturated means multiple bond present between two or more carbon atoms is known as unsaturated hydrocarbon. Clear? According to hydrocarbon, first is alkene, second is alkene, and third is alkyne. Clear? In this chapter, we discuss about the preparation, physical property and chemical property of alkane, alkene and alkyne. Clear? Student, now start with first preparation of alkane. Clear? First, from alkene and alkyne. When alkene reacts with the dihydrogen, it gives the formation of alkane. Take an example. Ethene reacts with dihydrogen in presence of nickel, platinum, palladium, barium sulfate. It gives the formation of ethane. Nickel, platinum, palladium, barium sulfate are the reducing agent in this reaction. Hydrogen add on alkene, then addition of hydrogen is known as reduction reaction. Then we take some reducing agent to proceed this reaction. Example, CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2 gives CH3 single bond CH3. According to mechanism, CH2 double bond CH2 and according to structure H single bond H. Here, according to fission, this electron attacks on this carbon, then charge occur on this carbon is positive and this on negative. And here, according to this, one hydrogen show negative and one hydrogen show positive. Positive hydrogen attacks on negative carbon and negative hydrogen attacks on positive carbon. CH3 single bond CH3. These are the example of preparation of alkane from alkene. Similarly, we take an example of ethene, CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2 reacts with dihydrogen here in presence of nickel, platinum, palladium, barium sulfate. Here, one hydrogen attacks on this carbon and one hydrogen attacks on this carbon, and it gives the formation of CH3, CH2, CH3. Again, alkene to alkene. These are the part of addition reaction here, and process reduction, and the reaction name is hydrogenation reaction. It is also known as Sabatier reaction, also known as Sanders reaction. Clear? Now, second preparation of alkane from haloalkane. It is also known as alkyl halide and it can be represented by Rx, where R be the alkyl chain and X be the halide. Take an example. Bromoethane reacts with nascent hydrogen in presence of nickel, platinum, palladium, barium sulfate. Clear? We take two nascent hydrogen. Clear? One H with one Br release HBr and left one hydrogen attacks on this carbon and gives the formation of CH3 single bond CH3 and its name is ethane. Again convert bromoethane to ethane. Ethane is a part of alkene. Clear? First by alkene, second by alkyl halide, third by Wurtz reaction. When haloalkane reacts with two sodium metal in presence of dry ether. Clear? स्टूडेंट, अगर कहीं भी ड्राई ईथर हम कैटलिस्ट यूज करते हैं, क्लियर, तो रिएक्टिव रिएजेंट अगर आपके पास कोई मेटल प्रेजेंट, सेकंड अमोनिया प्रेजेंट, थर्ड एनी Grignard reagent present है, तो हम कैटलिस्ट रिएक्शन को प्रोसीड करवाने के लिए ड्राई एथल यूज कर सकते हैं। Rx plus 2Na gives RRLK. Clear? 2Rx, R single bond X, R single bond X reacts with 2 moles of sodium. 1 Na with 1 X, 2 Na with 2 X. Release 2 NaX, sodium halide, and this R attacks on this R carbon chain and gives the formation of alkane. Speciality of this reaction, here, number of carbon atom twice. Here, when we take an example of bromomethane, suppose bromomethane reacts with 2 sodium, here, then 2 NaBr release and gives the formation of CH3 single bond CH3. This name is bromomethane and this name is ethane. Here 1 carbon atom and here 2 carbon atom. Here number of carbon atom twice in this reaction and convert haloalkane to alkane. Next one is by Corey-House reaction. Haloalkane reacts with dialkyl copper lithium. Dialkyl copper lithium. In presence of dry ether, first X release with Li, release LiX here. Second, here bond cleavage and R dash attacks on R carbon chain and it gives the formation of alkane, and next R dash copper also release, and this type of reaction is also known as Corey-House reaction, or simply we can say that it is also used to convert haloalkane to alkane. Here last 3 reactions. First, from haloalkane by reduction get converted to alkane. Second, by Wurtz reaction convert in alkane, and by Gilman's reagent or dialkyl copper lithium gives alkane. तीनों रिएक्शंस के अंदर सिमिलर क्या है, alkane है. क्लियर? फर्स्ट ने क्या किया, नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम क्या होगा, इक्वल, नो चेंज, एंड हियर ट्वाइस इन कार्बन, एंड हियर जितना मेरे को अकॉर्डिंग टू कन्वर्जन चेंज करना है. हियर सपोज यहां हमने एग्जांपल ब्रोमोइथेन लिया, यहां में प्रोपेन चाहिए होता तो ट्वाइस से तो काम चलेगा नहीं. क्लियर? उस केस के लिए हम Corey-House रिएक्शन यूज करते हैं. क्लियर? These are the 4 reactions to convert alkene or haloalkane to alkane, or simply we can say that preparation of haloalkane. First from alkene, second from haloalkane. Haloalkane initially gives 3 types of reaction. First by reduction of haloalkane, second by Wurtz reaction, and third by Corey-House reaction. Student next class के अंदर हम alkane की preparation करेंगे और उसके अंदर हम डिस्कस करेंगे by the help of decarboxylation reaction and Kolbe electrolytic method reaction. Thank you students.